This recipe called for 3 cups cooked chicken. You can either dice it or shred it. I didn't even measure it. I just cut up what I thought I needed. You can use whatever seasonings you like. I just like using this Dash seasoning for just about everything. I added some chicken stock just to keep it juicy. Because we're using stovetop stuffing, I followed the directions on the box, but I used chicken stock instead of water. Y'all know me, I'm always forgetting something. You do have to thaw the mixed vegetables some, otherwise they stick together. Bake at 350 until bubbly. I haven't been to an ALDI in a long time, but I found this, and let me tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. It was delicious. Lazy girl slaw. Of course, I have to add pepper. And some mayonnaise. I made the slaw ahead of time so it could sit in the fridge for a while and marinate. I thought some chopped red onions would be really good on the barbecue sandwiches, so I chopped those up ahead of time and put those in the refrigerator. You can use whatever kind of bread you like, or you don't have to use bread at all. I think these were some fresh Kaiser rolls in the bakery department at my local grocery store. I thought it might be a good idea to maybe take some of the bread out of the middle of each bun since they were so bready. I decided to just lightly toast these in the air fryer. Order up. I have never made a scone in my life, so I was really taking a chance here. But I'm glad I did it because these things were awesome. I do not have a pastry cutter, but I think now I need to go get me a pastry cutter. So one thing I learned about making scones is the dough is not going to be like a bread dough. It's going to be a much more crumbly type of dough. So don't let that throw you off. I couldn't find my rolling pin, but you can use a rolling pin. Yep, did it again. And this is how they look once you glaze them. They're so beautiful. Hello everybody, welcome to the chat corner. It's a very special chat corner today. I have my daughter with me. This is Maddie.
Hi.
Maddie turned 28 yesterday. Happy birthday, Maddie.
Thank you.
Anyway, we wanted to just give a short talk about something we just went through with the Whole Foods.
We're going to talk about cheese and why cheese causes traffic jams. Okay.
It was so funny. So they had a food truck there, and this is a free plug, I guess, for the Daiya. It's Daiya cheese, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cheese company. And it's gluten-free and dairy-free cheese.
Mm-hmm.
So they had some samples out by the food truck, and we each got a sample of a quesadilla,
Grilled cheese.
and a grilled cheese.
And a pizza.
And a pizza.
They were all great.
And y'all, I am a real cheese person. I was shocked.
I love real cheese, but dairy I should probably not consume.
Yeah, she's
So-
gluten-free pretty much.
No, dairy-free.
Dairy-free. I thought you were gluten-free too.
Well, I need to be dairy-free.
You mean gluten-free?
I love my gluten. I'll eat gluten all day, every day.
Okay.
I'll never give up gluten. I'll barely give up my cheese. So that's why this is important, because the cheese was really good. So they give you coupons,
Yes.
and then we're like,
We got like
We'll go
6
get it.
coupons between all three
Yeah.
of us because her husband went with us too.
so we'll go get them.
So we were like, oh man, we're going to get some of this at Whole Foods because Whole Foods is right across the way from where we were. So we went in and Blake went and found all the cheese and everything and gave each one of us one to buy so that we could each use a coupon.
A one per person. Mm-hmm.
Well, I've never checked out at a Whole Foods.
I've rarely checked out at a Whole Foods.
And so here we go to the self-checkout, and I try my coupon, and it will not take it.
Mine won't take either. Blake's won't take
Hers
either.
won't take. Her husband's won't. So we are now creating a traffic jam.
Taking out 3 registers.
3 registers.
This one poor lady starts running around and like doing the best she can. She brings another dude out. This dude's trying to put his passcode into my register. He gets it wrong each and every time. Poor guy. It's okay, dude. If you're watching this, it's fine. And then she was trying to help you.
She was trying to help me, and then she said, "Wait a minute, are you paying cash?" And I said, "Yeah." She said, "Oh, you can't pay cash at these registers."
So I finally get checked out. I'm stepping to the side. Blake is finishing up. And then
I had to go through a regular checkout, where somebody checks you out. And the coupon wasn't working there at first either.
So me and Blake were just staring. We're like, oh, let's make a funny face at her. We see her struggling, and she's like, what?
What
and I'm
is
like,
wrong
Blake,
with my
I'm like,
coupon?
just go. So he had to go over and solve this issue. So basically, we ruined everybody at Whole Foods Day in a matter of minutes. So that's great.
It was so funny. We were dying laughing.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. If you're a Whole Foods employee watching
Yeah,
this
I'm really
and you went through
sorry,
that,
Whole
I'm so
Foods
sorry.
people.
We will never do that again.
It was hilarious.
I'm so sorry.
I'm still laughing about it. And I looked back, and the people in the line are like giving us the eye. They are giving us the evil
I'm like
eye.
trying to move out of the way after I check out, so I'm like, oh, sorry, everybody. Oh my, I didn't even look.
Oh, they don't ever want us to come in there again with a coupon.
So if you have a coupon at Whole Foods, here's what you do. Wait until you hit the like pay screen, and then it'll ask for the coupon. You can try to scan it. Probably won't work. You'll have to insert it into the machine. Most likely it'll go into the machine, okay? Unless it's on your phone. When the attendants have to come over, just say you're sorry, because I'm sure that ruined somebody's day. I'm so sorry.
Anyway, it was so funny, but we did get our cheese.
We got our cheese.
And our pizza.
Yeah.
The pizza was a cauliflower crust with pepperoni and cheese.
Yeah.
And y'all, I'm really telling you, it is really good. It's
really good.
DAIYA, and it's a imitation cheese product, I guess. It's non-dairy and gluten-free.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
The Swiss was so good for the grilled cheese.
It was fantastic. I was shocked.
Pretty baller.
Yeah, I think we were all shocked at how good it was. So anyway, that's our chat for today. Go out and try you some diet cheese.
Corner.
It's really good.
To the cheese chat, cheese corner.
Cheese chat. That's what we are, cheese chat.
Little rats talking about cheese.
Thanks, y'all.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Maple, how is the cheese?